In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change background color as well as skin tone color in Adobe Photoshop CC 2013 in just a few clicks. What's going on, everybody? So this is Sri from Doodler Sri, and without adding further ado, let's see how we can make it quickly. We are in Photoshop. Now I'm going to File and I'm going to Open, and this picture I've already downloaded from Pexel, so I've given the download link in the description below. You can download it from there. Okay, so I'm just renaming the layer like woman. Okay, so now it's a quick easy step. So I'm going to select and just to select the layer and go to select color range. Okay, and now from here the drop down I will choose sample colors, and from eyedropper tool I will select the background, and as you can see there are a lot of black spots here and there, so I will choose the plus sign from sample colors and I will click on the part where I need to remove the black things. Okay, so I will keep on doing it till I am happy. So yeah, it's quite done now I'm hitting OK. Now you can see that the background part is selected, so I'm going to image and adjustment, hue saturation, and here is the fun part begins. So here goes, boom. Now you can select and choose your required background color from hue saturation. So I'm happy with this cyan color. I'm hitting OK, and now what I will do, I will also change the skin tone here. Okay, for the girl, so I'm going to the same process, select color range, and from the drop down I will choose skin tones. So here you can see like I'm just playing with the fuzziness little bit to get the desired result. Okay, so yeah, hit OK. Okay, now what I can see is like some parts are still selected which I don't want, so I go to quick selection tool, hit the minus selection tool, and I will remove the selection which I don't want. So here as you can see I'm removing this selection, the part which I don't want. So you have to be a little bit patient here so that you won't miss any part. So I'm zooming in the face, and I'll keep doing it till I am happy. You can go ahead with plus and minus quick selection tool to get the desired results. I'm keeping on doing it till I'm happy with the result. Okay, so I will go to the same process, color range, adjustment, hue saturation, and as you can see like this part has not been selected, so I will again go back to the quick selection tool and the plus tool. Yeah, now it's okay, I think. So same process, adjustment, hue saturation, and from here I will change the color. So I'm happy with this magenta skin tone. It goes well with the background, and I can play with the saturation a little bit, and yep, so this is my result. Okay, yeah, so as you can see I've already changed the background color and the skin tone as well. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you have liked and enjoyed this video, and if you have enjoyed this video, please give your feedback and comment in the comment section, and also let us know about if you have any better suggestion for this kind of video. So be happy, be awesome, be creative, Be unique. I will see you in the next video, and till then,